Elections have come and gone, but the effect of the violence that emanated from them still linger on. Many Nigerians died, homes and properties have been destroyed. But with barely 3 months to the 2015 general elections, Nigerians are beginning to lend their voices to the need for a free, fair and credible elections. A major success for the emergence of a new leadership, they say, is the need for politicians to desist from using the youth as tools.
You must love your nation and refuse to be bought by greedy politicians who want to use you and dump you. Use you, get to the positions they want, and then dump you.
In spite of all of these challenges to the conduct of the previous elections, some Nigerians still believe that achieving a free and fair election devoid of post-election violence is possible.
I have a dream. I have a dream that Nigeria will one day be truly united. I have a dream that Nigeria will be prosperous. Amen. I have a dream that Nigeria will have a strong economy. Amen. I have a dream that there will be peace and stability in Nigeria. Amen.
Former Deputy Senate President Ibrahim Mentu advised politicians to work towards improving the nation rather than pursuing personal ambitions.
It is time to accept that democracy is about the people and not about personal interests. Let every key player imbibe the attitude of sportsmanship, foster the well-being of the common man by identifying with the rules of the game through shunning violence and becoming ready to accept the verdict of the people.
The 2015 general election is almost here. The consensus at this gathering is that the contribution of all Nigerians is key to achieving the election of credible people who will lead the nation's affairs for the next 4 years.